Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dominica and I'm pretty excited about it because this is the part 2 of my new series, which I call I'm Obsessed With. And the reason behind it is to give you a quick relevant review of the product that I'm reviewing, whether it's makeup, skincare, hair care, nail care, I don't care. If I find a product that I fall in love with and it seems to be working on me, I'm very picky when it comes to my products. So hopefully you can, take what I'm trying to tell you and the information that I'm giving you, and maybe you can make the decision on it so much faster. I know sometimes I'm looking like at 40 different reviews of different YouTubers on a specific product just to have different opinions. So this is a little bit different. This is just very to the point tutorial, benefits, description, the ingredient description, maybe, an overall feel on the product. So let's not bore you to that. Let's move on into the review portion. For today's review, I picked 3 products. Again, this is how I'm going to probably keep it at. I'm going to be reviewing some makeup. 2 products are actually makeup products, and then 1 skincare. So let's start with actually it's hard for me to tell which one is my favorite. I actually did my makeup with all 3 of those products today. So hopefully that's gonna help you to make your decision whether or not go into any of those products or not. So I don't really have my favorite because they all of them are my favorites. That's why I'm reviewing them for you. So product number 1, concealer. So hard to find a good concealer. Everybody has different reasons why they want to use concealer. So I came across this illuminating glossy concealer by GLOSSIER. It cost $18 on their website, and I picked I wasn't sure which color to pick, so I picked the G10 because it seemed to be the closest to what I was looking for. This is what the consistency is. It's this very shiny balm like, so you buy it in this little container, and what it does, it's called a stretch concealer. So it's supposed to be flexible and stretchy enough, so when you start in the inner corner of your eye, you can literally stretch the concealer all the way out, and it camouflages, but it also illuminating the around eye area. Perfect for me. And the thing that I love about this concealer the most is that it stays glossy like that. So this is not really a great product if you're going for like a full glam matte type of makeup. It's perfect for vacation or for wintertime when you want to do the dewy type of makeup and you want the skin to look hydrated. So yeah, it's a little bit weird, but this concealer stays almost, you look at your arm around the eye area and it looks almost wet, so perfect for dewy type of foundation, to pair it up with a dewy foundation, dewy look, not a lot of matte, coverage, full coverage going on. That's probably not the best idea, but it looks actually really awesome. I was able to pick the shade that actually goes with my complexion. They have probably about 12 different shades, so not super inclusive, but not bad at all, because I feel like the shade that I'm using could go anywhere from light to medium, so it probably covers at least like 6 different complexions, 6 different skin colors. It's not bad at all. It stays on for a very long time, literally all day that I'm wearing it, so I fell in love with it. So when I want to have a lazy, barely any makeup on type of day and I just like want to brush on a little bit of like a CC or BB cream, this goes so well with it, and it gives you that overall glowy, dewy type of look if you're into something like this. Again, on their website, GLOSSIER, $18, and it's been, oh my god, it's been like 3 months because I tested for 3 months to give you relevant review, and I'm in love with the product, but also I feel like I barely scratched the surface of the product itself. It's gonna last you forever. It's like really good investment if you're into dewy type of coverage. Probably great for aging skin as well, just to keep it hydrated. My second item is eye cream. It's by brand Believe, and I actually haven't had a life size yet because I have 3 sample sizes. It's so I bought it in a set. I bought the face cream, the serum, the eye cream, the lip mask, and I'm falling in love with those products. I absolutely love what it does to my skin. It keeps my skin hydrated, heavily moisturized. I don't even know how to explain it. Sometimes when I don't have anything to do at home, well, when I'm not working, when I'm not going outside, I actually put a little bit more of that product. I clean my face and I put a little bit of the product around my eye area, on my lids, around my lids, underneath my lids, my under eye area, and I actually walk around with this in. I let it be absorbed by my skin, and oh my god, the feeling is amazing. After 3 or 4 days of using this product exclusively, I saw the difference in how my skin reacts to the makeup looked better. So when I put my like really mattifying full coverage concealer, it looked so good. It didn't look dry at all. It didn't enhance wrinkles or lines. It actually covered it all up, and I know that it's due to using this this eye cream. So the full size, which is like triple, quadruple of this, it's actually $48. It seems like a lot of money, but again, you just used very little. You just use very little product, and you just put it around your eye area, and a little bit goes a long way. So it's gonna definitely last you for a very long time. Sample like that. So this is my second sample. I have 3 or 4 of them because I bought like 3 different sets, and each one of them had the Believe eye cream in them. Absolutely love it. It becomes very quickly a staple of my skincare routine. Absolutely love it. You can buy it in Sephora. That's where I got mine. You can buy it for $48 if you care only about the eye cream. But if you want to try other products by Believe, one of them has been Hydrating Balm Aqua Balm cream that I actually reviewed in my first part of this series. So I'm gonna link this video here just so you know you have options. I actually start falling in love with the entire brand. I tried so many products by them, including the face wash, the eye cream, the face cream, and so far so good. I have to tell you, like, super hydrating. So for those of you with dry skin, it's probably a perfect product to try. And also for those with combination skin, you get hydrations without oiliness, so that's very important as well. So you're not looking greasy and too shiny. You know what I'm talking about. For those of you who have combination skin, your skin doesn't look oily. It looks hydrated. It looks plump and very ready for makeup. The makeup looks better and everything. So highly recommend this eye cream. Perfect. As a matter of fact, like I said, I love the entire brand. And I left the most complicated item as my last item to review today, and it's actually $18 on Amazon. The brand of this product is called Music Flower, and this is a 5-color kit concealing shading powder. Okay, and this is what it looks like when I open all of them. Okay, and I'm gonna discuss all of it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and they only have probably 2 shades, so it's either light or medium, and I think this is probably medium, but it's very gentle, pretty light. I would say like light to light medium. It's not really for deeper complexions. So it comes with the white translucent powder if you want to do your contouring with it, and it has the mirror in this part of the kit. Then it comes with 2 identical shades of the setting powder, but one is matte, and they all look white, but they're not. Believe me, this is like a peachy beigey color. So one of them is matte, and then the identical color but with a little bit of luminosity to it. It has a little bit of a sparkle, not something that you necessarily notice on your skin, but when you apply it over your entire face, you're gonna see this illuminating effect. So this is what this powder is for. And then the last one is actually the bronzer, and it's a beautiful bronzer. This one is on a cool side for cooler undertone. I actually have it on. I absolutely love it. It is so gentle. So even when you feel that you dipped into it too much and you put too much product on, it is so easy to blend, and it's pretty amazing. The last compartment is it's for your sponge. It comes with the little sponge if you want to use your sponge. I typically apply it with the brushes. So the reason I love it so much is not just the fact that it has 5 colors and it's pretty affordable. Like I said, it's actually $14.98 on Amazon. I've been exploring Amazon and their skincare and different brands that are available on Amazon. So sometimes I'm finding like really cool products because of that. I found my favorite eyeliner like that, my eyebrow pencil, my powder kit. I think it's perfect for those who travel and want to have different options. To have the bronzer, the setting powder, and the blotting powder all in one. It's a pretty genius idea. Again, it comes with the mirror and it comes with the sponge. So I'm just a sucker for like kind of, you know, cool looking products, but also the product itself, I think it's a pretty good quality. For $14.98 to have 5 powders and they all go together. That's the beauty of it. My makeup is just made with those products today. So obviously it doesn't have a highlighter. If I could add one more product to it, I would get rid of the regular mattifying setting powder and I would put the highlighter in there instead. So, and maybe a blush. Oh my god, I'm already trying to change it. But they also have the blushes like that, if I'm not mistaken. So they have a bunch of different colors of blushes if you're into blushes. My makeup typically is so easy, and a lot of time I just don't even apply blushes because I'm just naturally rosy. I don't know what I'm talking about. Perfect product, one of my favorite products. And I have high-end powders that I love and drugstore powders that I love, but absolutely love the fact that you can mix and match them together. You can do some contouring with it. I think it's a pretty cool idea. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. That's all I have prepared for today. 3 very amazing products, all of them pretty affordable. The eye cream is on an expensive side, but again, it's going to last you for a very long time before you have to buy a new container with it. But if you want, you can do what I did. I just went on Sephora. I was looking for gift sets for someone, and I came across Belize's brand, and the rest is history. I was able to get 2 or 3 different sets for myself with different products to try. This is what I do sometimes, you know, before spending a big buck on a moisturizer or, you know, eye cream or powder or whatever. I try to see if they have sample sizes, because that's going to tell me right away. I don't have to wait 3 weeks in order to review the product and see if it's working for me or not. I actually need just maybe 2-3 days, and then based on that I can make my decision whether or not I'm going to buy life size. So again, thank you for joining me today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. Click that like button so I know that I'm on the right path and I'm making videos that are helpful to you in some ways. So that's it. That's all I prepared for today. Have a great weekend, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.